Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off the Bluetooth feature on your Android phone in two different ways. So let's get started. First way is going to be going through your setting, which is going to be quick and easy. You're going to go to your setting, and once you get to your settings here, you're going to look for connections or something that's going to say Bluetooth. Now, once you click on that connections, you're going to see option right here on the third one that says Bluetooth. Right now, the Bluetooth is turned on, and if I wanted to turn it off, I can just simply select on it, and it's going to be turned off. Again, on and then off. Now, you can also tap on it to get a little bit more information about what the connection is going to be. So if you're looking to connect to the Bluetooth, you need to look for this specific name, which is going to show up on the other devices nearby, so you can go ahead and connect to it. Again, to turn it off, you just come over here to turn it off. Now, if you want, you can also pull down from the top here your menu. Once you pull down the menu here, you also have the option to enable the Bluetooth on and off. So in order to do that, you'll see it right here, Bluetooth. You can just tap on it over here and then turn it on and then click on done. And if you want to turn it off, you can also click on over here to turn it off as well. So that's how you turn on and off the Bluetooth on your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.